What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Buddy Love, man. Today what I'm be doing for you guys is a dope ass flag football custom t-shirt for one of my clients. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and dive right into this thing. I'm gonna show you guys some quick edits, how I'll chop it up, and we're gonna deliver these shirts also. So let's get it. Alright, so first things first, going to go ahead and place this image into our Photoshop. So we're gonna grab it, click it, boom. Alright, so once that's there, I'm gonna go ahead and magic wand it up, and then we're gonna go into hyperspeed. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. So this is pretty much what it looks like after I do all my edits. And yeah, so I'm gonna have to move the V from outside of the M, and then I'm gonna go ahead and place it into my cutter software. That's my son. Alright, so now I'm about to get to the part where I go ahead and make all the necessary cuts that I need to put on my 24-inch sheet. So this is that process. Let's get it. Alright, as you can see, I have moved the V outside of the M, well, the fangs pretty much, and we're going to go ahead and get this thing ready to be cut out. So here's hyperspeed. Alright, so now we're ready to go ahead and start cutting. So this is the finished result. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. Let's get these cuts. Alright, so everything seemed to came out pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and get right into it. Let's take a look and let y'all look at it. We're going to go ahead and start peeling everything off so we can, you know, get to the next step. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so that's pretty much what all the cutouts is gonna look like. So what I'm gonna go ahead and start doing is doing the front of the shirts that I already cut out. Alright, so let's get it. Alright, so this is pretty much the end result after I pressed it. We're gonna go ahead and peel this off right here. And as you guys can see, it came out great, man. It looks beautiful. I love it. I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of these shirts done and show you the end results. So alright, so this is pretty much how the shirts came out. This is the front of the shirt, and the one in the bottom right corner, that is the back of the shirt. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pack these shirts up and get them ready for delivery. Let's go. Yeah, buddy. All right, y'all, let's get it.
Man, that buddy right there.
Hey.
Hey, you got cash out?
Yeah. Alright guys, look like that's a wrap, man. A shirt delivered. One more happy customer. It's your boy Buddy Love, man. You already know. Positive vibes only. I'm out.